So just left there is up towards the Hidden Valley cabin. Unbelievable, eh? I do stuff like that all the time. Absolutely beautiful in here. So this here is unbelievable, and that's what this is all about. Should be alright for some old fuck like me. This is going to work me on the way back up, I tell you. So we just come out in an opening. There we have it. Well, that was well worth it. Got the old heart rate pumping, I tell you. Such a lovely spot. Just coming into Hidden Valley now. Normally we turn left there. But we're going to keep going on. We're going to go to Paluma, something different. So I haven't done this run through here for a long time. I think the last time I might have done it this way was on my DOZ 400 a few years ago, so I'm interested to see what it's like. So just left there is up towards the Hidden Valley cabins, and that's a private resort that you can book. And while you're watching this, viewers, I'll be on another trip. So right now I'm on my way up to Irving Bank with a heap of fellas from the Townsville Adventure Bike Riders group. So we're heading up to Irving Bank, Mount Garnet, Chillago for a 2-night ride. So like I said, while you're watching this, I'm out there on a ride right now. I just want to say thank you to everyone for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. I'm getting some pretty good views, which to be honest, I'm quite chuffed about. So thank you very much. I'll keep trying to put some good content together for you. A bit of local stuff in the next couple of months. Got a Cape York trip and then a trip up around Porcupine Gorge. Anyway, I'll let you have a look at the scenery as I ride along. I won't keep rambling on. Should be a couple of kilometres up here. If we turn left, it should head off towards the Paluma Dam. So we're actually going through the Paluma Range National Park at the moment. Coming in from the Hidden Valley side, as I said. Lake Paluma, where we're going to go shortly, 11.7, and we might go in and have a look at Birthday Creek Falls. So some beautiful rainforest up through here. Nice camp sites at Lake Paluma. So we'll head up there now. I'll just get the bike ready. And good one, Robert. I've left the lights on. Unbelievable, eh? I do stuff like that all the time. What we'll do, we'll pull in and we'll go and have a look at Birthday Creek Falls. It's absolutely beautiful in here. It's so much cooler. We're talking about 7 degrees. Actually, what is it right now? 22. So it was 28 when I left down the bottom at home this morning. It's 22 here. So it'd be about 30 down home right now. You know why a lot of people come up here during summer and camp. So this here, our Birthday Creek, not absolutely beautiful. It is unbelievable, and that's what this is all about. You should hear this T7 roaring through this rainforest. Nothing like the sound of them, I tell you. So what we'll do now, we're going to go down to Birthday Creek Falls. You can see there, one moderate grade, track length 500 metres, so should be alright for some old fart like me. I just hope the bike's right there, it should be. So for those viewers that aren't from North Queensland and Australia, this is typical of the type of rainforest we have around our area and further up into the Daintree. In actual fact, the Daintree rainforest is one of the oldest rainforests in the world. I can hear the falls. I don't know whether you can. This is going to work me on the way back up, I tell you. So we just come out in an opening. There we have it. Birthday Creek Falls. Absolutely beautiful. Now that water, I'm telling you, it would be freezing cold. Well, freezing cold for us North Queenslanders anyway. Well, that was well worth it. I'm glad I come in and had a look. So what we'll do now is we'll head off towards the Paluma Dam. Good workout for the old legs, this is. Oh, tell ya. Got the old heart rate pumping, I tell ya. What we're going to do now is we're going to go back out on the road, we'll turn left and we'll make our way towards the Paluma Dam. We'll probably have a rest there for about half an hour and then after that I'll start to head home. Little Birthday Creek, there you go. We're just coming up to the dam now. There's there's campsites that you can book online. Toilets, showers, barbecue areas. Hey mate. We've camped up here a few times, but not for a while. Probably about 2 years ago was the last time. This is going across a little wall here to campsite 16 to 23 up here. Paluma Dam out there. You can't have a powerboat in there, but you can kayak, paddleboard and canoe and the like. And swim, obviously. Got all these little day areas here. Toilets and showers up there. And there's a big campsite up in there for large groups, but we won't go up there because it's a little bit muddy. Such a lovely spot. So the way I'm going to go now to go back to Townsville, that's been cut off for a long period of time due to landslides, and it's just been reopened. So this place gets quite busy on the weekends and the big holiday breaks like it is now for Easter. It's only one road in, and that's up the range or the way we came up through Hidden Valley. There's walking tracks and stuff. I've never done any of the walking track. Oh, look at that big staghorn on the ground. Do you see that? Such a pretty little village, eh? So they've only just reopened this. It's not finished yet. So it'll be interesting to see where they've actually stopped. Yeah, so apparently this is by escort every hour on the hour. I wasn't aware of that. So I got here at about 2:30, the next group, or the next lot now, and we can leave at 3 o'clock by escort. So it's on the hour, every hour, so just have to wait and see. It's alright, gave me time to have a feed. I haven't had a feed yet, so I had a few little snacks. Feeling good. Thank you. It'll be interesting to see where this actual landslide occurred and what they've done to rectify it. I've seen some photos and I've seen a lot of those shipping containers, but I don't know whether it was here. Now what I'm saying is I think they use shipping containers as a barrier. They might have filled them with rocks and stuff, I'm not sure. Here's one of them. Jeez, they've still got a long way to go with that. Goodness me. I reckon this is going to be like this for probably another 12 months yet. Here we go. Looks like that this is one of the main parts. You can actually see this from the Bruce Highway. Oh, there are the containers there, see? How are they going to fix that? It's like they've sprayed it with some type of spray on concrete mix, if that makes sense. Obviously to try and stabilise the soil. There's a hell of a lot of them. Yeah, so this is Little Crystal Creek. It's where I was going to stop. It's an absolute beautiful swimming hole. But you're not allowed here for a while. Yeah, Little Crystal Creek. There's it. As I said, nice swimming hole. Amenities over to the left. Car park up onto the right. Hasn't been used for probably 12 months now. So I guess one good thing, it's going to rejuvenate the area without the impact from us. Well, that's it. We've just been escorted down. Well, viewers, I'm going to end that video there in a minute. I'm going to head back home. Probably got about, I don't know, from memory about 80k, 70k to go. If you like the video, it'll be appreciated if you could hit that like button, give us a thumbs up. And if you want, subscribe to the channel. I had a look at my analytics and 91% of people that view my content aren't subscribed. So it'd be really appreciated if you could press that subscribe button. It doesn't cost anything, it's free, and it helps me compete with the bigger channels. Anyway, I'm going to turn the camera off now. I hope you enjoyed the video, and as I said, I'm currently up in Irving Bank in Chillago on a 3-day ride. Hopefully it's going all right. I haven't had any offs. Anyway, team, until next time, Bob Messing About, out.